Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from being all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. To do it, we just need to use this beautiful tool. So just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to gently pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.